Hello students and family. This video is going to review how to use Storyjumper, one of our most popular sites with students for publishing digital story writing. So you're going to click on Storyjumper, it's the red book icon. And we're going to log in with our Google accounts. All first through 5th grade students have a Storyjumper account using their Google. Kindergartners have not technically use this site with their teachers, so parents, if you want to check it out, you could try to create your own account. They may be allowing access to that with parents during this time. If you're having trouble, go ahead and just email Miss Galloway. My email is on the school website. It is gallowjm@nv.ccsd.net. Otherwise, 1st through 5th grade students sign in with Google. Select your CCSD account, and you should have your teacher's account there. Also, if a student for some reason was absent the day that we made classroom accounts, if you don't have access to your student's teacher, email Miss Galloway and she can help you out with that. I'm just going to click here where it says Miss Nitre, and you should see your teacher's name at the top. Down below are all the books that you've already created. This is a great time, students, to share with your family members the books that you've already worked on. You can click the plus sign to make a new book. I recommend making a blank book, just starting from scratch. Over on the left are the options students have for adding media. They can add text. That's how you create, add your words. You can click on props. Props are the cute little characters you can add. Scenes are the backgrounds. And then you add photos. You can search photos. You can also upload your own photos if you're using your device at home and you have family trip pictures, or you want to take silly photos right now while you're at home. You could upload those and add those into your book. Also, if students want to work together to create books with their classmates, they can click collaborate and type in one of their classmates. It'll send them an invite and you can work together on a book while you're at home. Make sure you push save and exit. To go back in and work on your book, click edit. And parents, if you want extra help, if you click on the help button, you can watch a video tutorial that will explain how to use the tools in Storyjumper. Storyjumper also has a library where you can look at other people's books. If you want to publish a book, parents, you'll have to sign in and give your student permission for that. You can purchase the books. You don't have to buy books, but you can purchase them if you choose. Click log out. And that's Storyjumper. I can't wait to see what new books students are working on during this time away from school.